2001 Audi A4 Quattro. Customer complains of fuse 28, 29, 34 and fuel pump relay not having power. As you see, I have different ECUs to test it because that's what they have been told them. Few relays, relay especially for testing. Few blunt fuses. And after all the testing and getting the wire diagram, check these wires, and well, they're not so good after all. So I'm gonna replace them. Get a new part here. And we'll go from there, because I was getting power onto these wires, but once they were plugged in with the coil, my voltage was dropping from 13 volts to 8 volts. So I'm hoping this will fix my issue, and we'll see how it goes. And there we have it. This was stealing my voltage. Now you see, I have solid 14 volts. Same battery. No need to replace the ECU. And here's the result. Well, if you're having the same issue, remember fuse 29, fuse 28, and fuse 24. Fuse 29 and 28 were getting no power. But then I checked and it was fuse 29 and 34 that share the power through the relay for the fuel pump, which is number 4. That one like that. And let's see. That's my fuse 29, 28 and 34. So no need for relays, computer, ECUs, PCM or whatever. You gotta test though. Gotta test and visually check your connections for the coils. In this case, we had this issue right here. Replace the 4 of them. There it is. Alright, I hope I helped him somehow or in any way to anyone.